Today we will discuss class 9 mathematics chapter 1 subtopic irrational numbers. In my last class we discussed about a rational number. We know that a rational number is one which is expressed in the form of p by q where q is not equal to 0. Okay, where q is not equal to 0. And irrational number means what? A number which is expressed in the form of a decimal. Okay, number which is expressed in the form of a decimal, and that expressed number will be non-terminating and non-repeating. We know what is terminating. You know what is terminating. Terminating means the remainder will be 0. That means the number has an end. Non-terminating means it keeps on continuing. So, okay, number which is expressed in the decimal form. See, root 2 is a number. I have expressed in the form of decimal 1.4 something. And see, and this expressed in the decimal form is non-terminating. Non-terminating means it does not have end. Okay, non-terminating. Sometimes non-terminating repeated numbers will come, whereas here it will be non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. Okay, sometimes when we are doing the problems based on a rational number, I think so, we have come across repeated numbers, whereas here it is non-terminating as well as non-repeating. The numbers will not repeat. See, root 2 is 1.4142, it keeps on with a different number. Okay, or the order may be same, different. 41, 41, 41 we didn't get. 4, 1, next 4, then we got 2. You should get 1. If you get 1, it will be repeating. Since 4, 1, after 4 we didn't get 1, we got 2, hence it is non-repeating. That means 1 is not repeated. Similarly, 1.7320508, here 0 is repeated, no doubt, but it is repeated only 2 times. It didn't start from the second digit. That means it is non-terminating. Okay, this is also non-terminating. The numbers are not repeated again and again. Yes, so a number which is expressed in the decimal form, and that expressed number which is in the decimal form is non-terminating. Non-terminating and non-repeating, those numbers are called as irrational numbers. Okay, for example, root 2 is 1.4142, it keeps on, and root 3 is 1.73205080, etc. Root 5 is 2.236067 and keeps on. Hence, these kind of numbers like root 3, root 2, root 5, root 7, okay, root 8 we can take, okay, root 7 is okay, then these are called as irrational numbers. Root 4 we will not get. Root 4 value is 2. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. It is in the form of rational number. Root 9 can be written as 3. 3 can be written as 3 by 1. Again it is a rational number. So irrational numbers, what we get is root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, etc. Very clearly, a number which is expressed in the decimal form, and that expressed number which is in the decimal form is non-terminating as well as non-repeating. Non-terminating, non-repeating, those numbers are called as irrational numbers. Yes, please note down this one. Yes. Okay, we'll continue exercise. We'll continue exercise 1C. 1C, it tells that classify, is it correct? Yes. Classify the rational and irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. That means he has given few numbers. You have to say that whether the given number is rational number or irrational number. So I'll take few questions. First, 5, Second question he has given 9 by 14. Third question he has given root 3. Then fourth question it is pi, and fifth question is 3.1416 etc. Right. So I have taken first 5 questions. Just please note down this one. Yes. Now 5. 5 is a rational number. Why? Because 5 can be written as 5 by 1. That means it is in the form of P by Q. It is in the form of P by Q. Q is not equal to 0. Hence 5 is a rational number. 5 is a rational number. Is 9 by 14. 9 by 14, it is in the form of a P by Q. 9 by 14, it is in the form of a P by Q. Of course, it is in the form of P by Q, hence it is also a rational number. As already I told you that root 3 is an irrational number because I written the value of root 3. Okay, that means root 3 is irrational number. Irrational. And what is the value of pi? We know that the value of pi is 22 by 7, or we will get 1 point. What is the value of pi? 1.312 something. Yes. So hence pi is also, okay, it is an irrational number. Irrational number. See 3.1416. Here what happened? After 6, most probably we got the remainder, hence it becomes a rational number. He has not continued it. He stopped at 6. That means when we got answer as 3.1416, at 6 he might have got the remainder 0, hence it becomes a rational number. Okay. So first 5 I have done. Next you are supposed to do. Yes sir. You can take a homework. There's a few questions. Okay. Next I'll be giving few homework questions. Root 4. Okay. We know that root 4 you can do. Root 4 can be written as 2. 2 is nothing but 2 by 1, which is in the form of a rational number. These are the homework questions. Root 4 minus root 5. Okay. 3 cube root of 8. See, cube root of 8. Okay, it can be written as 8 to the power of 1 by 3. 8 to the power of 1 by 3. 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 and 1 by 3. So 3 will get cancelled. We will get 2. 2 can be written as 2 by 1, which is in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Therefore, cube root 8 is a rational number. Is a rational number. Okay, is a rational number. That means I will remove this from the homework point of view. Yes, it is homework. Next, cube root 3 to root 6. root 6. Even if you look into 2 root 6, that also you should try. Next. Okay. Next. 2 by root 3. And even 22 by 7 is also homework for you. Even 22 by 7. So all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have given 6 questions. You need to classify this as a rational number as well as irrational number. Yes, please note down. Yes, please note down this one. Yes. Next, we'll take next question. Yes, sir. We'll take a second question. It has been given. Separate the rational and irrational. Separate rational and irrational from among the following numbers. The following numbers. Okay, I think I'm supposed to give all the values. So in that, the first question is -8. The second question is root 25. Third question is -3 by 5. Fourth question is root 8. Fifth question is 0. Sixth question is 5. Seventh question is 3 root 5. And even seventh question is 2.4 bar. And most probably the ninth question is minus root 3. Yes, please copy down all these questions. You need to separate, you need to tell which of them is a rational number and which is an irrational number among this. Yes, I repeat the question. -8, root 25, -3 by 5, root 8, 0, pi, then 3 root 5, cube root 5, 2.5 bar minus root 3. Yes. Yes, now we have to separate the following as a rational number and an irrational number. See, -8. So minus 8 can be written as minus 8 by 1. So which is in the form of P by Q. No doubt it is a negative rational number. No doubt it is a negative rational number which is in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Hence it is a rational number only. It is rational number. Second one, root 25. Root 25 value we know. Root 25 is 5. Hence 5 can be written as 5 by 1. Root 25 is 5. 5 can be written as 5 by 1. So it is in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. So therefore it is also a rational number. Very clearly we know that minus 3 by 5. It is a negative rational number. It is in the form of P by Q and Q is not equal to 0. Hence this is also a rational number. Okay. Now root 8. Root 8 can be written as root of 4 into 2. Root 8 can be written as root of 4 into 2. So which is root 4 into root 2. Which is root 4 into root 2. So I don't find first time. I will take this one fifth at the last. Or so this is root 4 can be written as 2 root 2. 2 root 2. No doubt 2 is a rational number because 2 can be written as 2 by 1. But still it is multiplied with root 2. Root 2 is an irrational number. 2 is a rational number, whereas root 2 is a irrational number. Any number multiplied with irrational number is irrational number only. Hence, it is an irrational number. Irrational number. Now, I will take 0 last. Okay, I'll write fifth question here. Fifth question here, 0. Already I given in the note. Okay, while explaining about the rational number or rational and irrational number, I given note 0 can be written as 0 by 1. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. It is in the form of P by Q. It is in the form of P by Q. Q is not equal to 0. P may be 0, but the question is it should be in the form of P by Q. Q should not be 0. He didn't told that P should not be 0. He didn't told. He told only that it should be in the form of P by Q and Q should not be 0. So therefore it is a rational number. Okay, since I don't have space, after fourth I written fifth here. Yes. Next, pi. Already I told you that the value of pi is what? 3.142 etc. So pi is what? 3.142 keeps on getting the value. So it is an irrational number. It is an irrational number. Then cube root of 5. So cube root of 5 can be written as what? 5 to the power of 1 by 3. 5 to the power of 1 by 3. Is it not so? So it cannot be changed. Okay, either it cannot be written in the form of a rational number. So therefore it is an irrational number. Irrational number. So this problem will be homework for you. You have to do according to the method. Okay, I have done in first exercise. You need to consider let x equal to 2.14, then multiply with 10. So by doing that, most probably this will be in the form of irrational number only. Yes, you take it this one as homework. The last one minus root 3. So minus root 3. Yes, is it a rational number or irrational number? So root 3 is a irrational number. So hence it is irrational number only. Whether negative or positive doesn't matter. Root 3 is an irrational number. Already I gave the value of root 3. Already I given the value of root 3. We know that root 3, root 2 as well as root 7 I given it as an irrational number. Even root 5 also. So therefore root 3 is irrational number. Negative of that is also irrational number. Only 8th question is homework for you. It will be rational number. You have to try by taking x equal to 2.14, then multiply with 10, then you will get 10x equal to 24.44 something, subtract that, you will get the value as a rational number. Yes, please note down this one. Yes. And so we will take the third question. He has given, write the values of, third one, write down the values of, I'll be taking, I need to do majority of the problem, I think so. So we'll take first one. First one is 2 root 3 whole square. Root 2 root 3 whole square. So this square is for both 2 as well as root 3. Hence it can be written as 2 square into root 3 whole square. Okay, 2 square is 4 into root 3 whole square will give you 3. Hence its value is 12. Its value is 12. This first question. Second question. It is 3 by 2 under root whole square. Yes. Now this square belongs for 3 as well as 2 as well as root 2. Or we can write this one as 3 by 2 whole square into root 2 whole square. So I told you that this square can be written for both. Is it not so? In the law of intersection, a by b whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n. So according to that, you can write 3 square divided by 2 square into root 2 whole square. So 3 square is 9 divided by 4 into 2. Yes. Now 2 1 time, 2 2 times. So the answer will be 9 by 2. The answer will be 9 by 2. Yes, please note down these two. Yes, sir. For you, third question will be homework. Third question will be homework. 5 plus root 3 whole square. Fourth question will be homework for you. Root 6 minus 3 whole square. Right? Even the seventh question will be homework for you. It is 3 divided by 2 root 2 whole square. 2 root 2 whole square. Okay, after writing this one, we'll take third, fourth is over. Fifth question I will take. Fifth question, 3 plus 2 root 5 whole square. So the given question, you need to expand in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula. So according to the formula, a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that means a will be 3, b will be what? 2 root 5. So that is according to that 3 square plus 2 times of a is 3, b is 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 whole square. Now 3 square is 9 plus 2 3 times is 6. 2 3 times is 6 into 2 root 5 plus this square belongs for both 2 square as well as root 5 whole square. So 9 plus 6 2 times 12 root 5 plus 2 square is 4 into root 5 and root 5 whole square will become 5. So 9 plus 12 root 5 plus 4 5 times is 20. No doubt 20 and 9 both are rational numbers. You can add them. 20 plus 9 is 29 plus 12 root 5. So that is the value of 3 plus 2 root 5 whole square. Yes, please copy down this. Yes. Next, one more question. One more question. That is sixth one. Root 5 plus root 6 whole square. Again, you need to expand this according to the formula a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. According to that formula, it can be written as root 5 whole square plus 2 times of root 5 into root 6. 2 times of root 5 into root 6 plus root 6 whole square. So this is root 5 and square will get cancelled plus 2. Now root 5 and root 6. See, remember, when it was root 8 was written as root 4 into root 2. So root 4 into root 4 into 2, or it has been written as root 4 into root 2. That means two different values under the root. If they have multiplication, you can multiply it. So therefore, root 5 into root 6 is root of 5 into 6. According to this concept, because today only we have done root 8 value. It was cube root 8, we have done it. Yes, plus 6. Okay. So 6 plus 5, 11 plus 2 root 5 6 is 30. So that is the value of root 5 plus root 6 whole square. It is 11 plus 2 root 30. Yes, please note down this one. Yes, sir. Today's the last question. That is 8th question. It is 5 minus 6 root 3 whole square. 5 minus 6 root 3 whole square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, or a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is 5, b is 6 root 3. So a square plus 2 times of a into b. Sorry, minus 2 times of a into b plus b square. Now that is 5 square is 25 minus 2 5 times is 10 into 6 root 3 plus 6 square root 3 whole square. Now this is 25 minus 10 6 times is 60 root 3 plus 6 square is 36 and square and 3 will get cancelled into 3. Now this is 25 minus 60 root 3. What is 36 3 times? Okay, 6 3s are 18, 1 3 3s are 9, 10. So add these two. 108 is a rational number, 25 is a rational number. So 8 plus 5, 13, 3, 1 minus 60 root 3. Yes, this is the final answer. Okay. Please copy down that one. Yes, copy down this one. Yes, by this we will end today's class. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.